That looks bomb. What's up guys? Welcome back to another day of Hungry, and today I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm making a very quick and easy, simple recipe, and it's my favorite way of eating fruit. I can't have an apple without it. Today we're making a chamoy apple, and I can do it in less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys how. So the reason why I'm actually making a chamoy apple is because my wife loves Mexican candy, beverages, and desserts. She loves chamangos, and you know, chamoy apple is just one of the things I've seen when I go to these candy stores. So I want to make this for you guys. I'm going to show you what I have. So all we need is this chamoy wrap right here, and it comes in a pack, and it's just like this here. And it says chamoy flavor. They have different kinds that are just like spicy and whatnot. But this is my favorite one. If you don't know what chamoy is, it's got a little sweet, it's tangy, and it's a little bit spicy, but not really. And then we have some fruit powder, which is the same thing but in a different form. It's got like some chili and sweetness to it that you add onto the fruits. Okay guys, this is chamoy right here. And I don't really like this brand, but it was recommended by the person that worked at the store. So if you guys know what brand is better for chamoy, let me know. The reason why I don't like it is because it's not thick enough for me. So please, let me know which one to get for the future, and so everyone else knows as well. Then I have some toppings for the apple, and we have salsa and some sour belts. So let's just go ahead and start rolling it up. So first we're gonna take apart this wrapper, and it's really sticky, guys. So I actually have to make sure I wet my hands a little bit. Okay, now we just start rolling it out. Okay, until it's nice and flat and big enough for the apple. Alright, so basically that's how we want it to look. It looks like a perfect thin wrap now. It's kind of stuck to the cutting board, so I'm gonna grab my knife to peel it off. I'm trying to cause the least amount of rips. It's okay if it does, because you guys can always fix it. It's looking pretty dang good. Alright. Alright, so this is what the wrap looks like. It's okay, it has holes and stuff. First thing we want to do with the apple is actually take off the stem, because we're not going to eat that part. So we're going to place the chamoy wrap over the apple just like that. And little by little, we're just going to start molding it over the apple. And if you see holes like this, it's okay. We can cover it back up. But basically we want the entire apple to be covered in the chamoy wrap. I made it a little too thin, so that's why it ripped. But it is okay, don't worry. See, we just use our hands and we just start molding it, okay? And then to be honest, you're not really gonna be eating the bottom of it too much. So I like taking some of that extra bottom pieces to put back on the top. Okay, then there's still enough to cover the bottom actually. And that's it. This is the apple, guys. It's very easy to do. It's almost like a caramel candy apple type of thing. Alright, so now we gotta cut this guy. I don't have an apple cutter, so I'm just gonna use my knife. And we're gonna cut around the core, okay? Because we're not gonna eat the core. So we're just gonna do that, then do the other side, okay? And then I'm gonna cut the top and the bottom of the apple, just like that. And then we have this core, and you see we have that chamoy that we're not even gonna use, so I might save that for later. And then we're gonna cut them into slices, just like that, okay? You do need a sharp knife to cut through the chamoy wrap. And then one of my tips for you guys is you don't want to cut the slices too thick, or else you're gonna have a really chewy chamoy that you're stuck with. So that's our cut apple right there. And now we can go ahead and plate this guy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them face down and put it back in the order of how I cut it, just because I'm kind of weird like that. But all right, so there's my apple right there, and now we can start designing with all the good stuff, the goodie candies and things like that. First, I'm gonna put my fruit powder on there. Some people like to roll it on, which is pretty cool too. I don't always put this candy. I'm just kind of doing it for the looks right now. You guys don't have to do this. It's pretty bomb just with the apple itself. But I'm gonna do this. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Man, I'm excited for this. And I'm kind of sad because Christina's not gonna be eating this because she's putting the kids to sleep. So, and then she's probably gonna take a nap. So I'm gonna enjoy it. Salsa, one of my favorite candies, very underrated. And it usually comes with this this sauce packet, but I don't want to use it because it's going to be a different flavor. I think this is more like a tamarind flavor. And then here comes the best ingredient of all, which is the chamoy. And here we go. Just going to do a little drizzle on it. Oh, that was too much. And then I'll top it off with just a little more of the fruit stuff again. Christina actually likes to use a tahini. I don't like tahini that much. I like sweet stuff a little bit more. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just like that. Mix it with some of the candies. Pretty bomb. Alright guys, there we have it, the chamoy apple. So good. Oh, alright. Now comes the best part of the hungry ant, and it's actually trying out my dessert. For everyone that loves sweets, it's just so good. I can't have my fruits any other way anymore. This is the only way I can eat it. I also forgot to mention the taste of this green apple. I love using the green apple because it's sour and it adds a little more kick to the chamoy. So I love that part about it. The chamoy is nice and chewy. I love the salsa verde. Yeah, that's bomb. This is really bomb, guys. I hope you get a chance to make this. It's really simple. We did it in less than 5 minutes. And if you go to the Mexican markets, you can find this box in one of the aisles. They have it there. So good. Very cheap to make. Good luck to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. On to the next one. Let me know what you guys want me to make. I've also been thinking if I should move Hungry Ant to a completely new channel away from the vlogs. So let me know about that idea too, guys. Woo! This is good! Alright guys, till next time, see ya. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say I love you.
I love you. All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy.